Welcome back to Charlie Makes. In this build today we have a 1-day build challenge of this lamp here, and it is quite an easy build, so you could follow along at home if you want to. You can do it all with basic tools. I'm using machinery in a lot of the process, but it would just take you longer. You can build the whole thing with basic saws and sandpaper and stuff. The main glowing part of the lamp is actually an IKEA vase you can just buy online, and then the base of the lamp is just some wood. You can take any regular old wood. So yes, enjoy. So as you can see, when I put the light bulb in, it kind of looks like a glowing beehive of some sort. And to match the vibe, I'm making the wooden base a hexagon, like a honeycomb style of shape. So after drawing the hexagon on the wood, now I'm cutting it out on the bandsaw. But again, you could do this with a regular saw or even make a shape that is a bit easier to cut out. Now we are sanding the edges flush, so they're not as rough anymore from the bandsaw. And after that, we are doing the edge profiling with a router to give it like a nice decorative edge all around it. Here you can see how it turned out. After that, a quick round of hand sanding, and then we're on to marking the middle where we're gonna drill a couple of holes. So we are drilling 4 holes for dowels to go in, but not all the way through the wood, maybe like halfway, and then 1 more hole that goes entirely through for the cable to run out for the light bulb. So now I wanted to try a process that would either make or break the project, and that was wood burning. I haven't done it in a long time, and it is a pretty scary process, I gotta say, like purposely burning the object you're building. But if you go slow and like don't hover over a single spot too long, it works pretty good. So then even more hand sanding, always a lot of hand sanding with woodworking project. But after that we can go ahead and glue and then hammer in the wooden dowels. Those will hold the light bulb and the vase on the base. The rhyme was not intended. Here I'm applying a finish to the wood. You could leave it untreated or wax it or whatever. I have my go-to oil here that I use for pretty much any project. After that, we are gluing the light bulb socket onto the base. You need the ones that have like a hole at the bottom for mounting, and also you need to cut the power cable to feed it through the hole that we drilled earlier. If you're not comfortable with like high voltage stuff, I'll suggest you don't do that and just run the cable out behind the vase. And then we are almost finished. All that is left to do is secure the power cable. I'm doing this with one of those bent nails, and then I'm putting some feet on the bottom. And with that, we are actually finished. As you can see, everything fits together beautifully, which I celebrate with my little happy dance there. And you see on the clock, it's not even 2 p.m. And we started at 9, so more like a half-day project, not a one-day. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the final shots of it. Bye!